This card shows up in a lot of mailboxes, but is the Credit One Platinum credit card actually helping people, or quietly costing them more than expected? Most people don't look closely enough before applying, and that's where problems start. Let's break it down honestly. The Credit One Platinum card is marketed to people with fair to poor credit. Approval standards are more flexible, which is why many applicants see it as an easy option. The card often advertises cash back on certain purchases, usually gas or groceries. That sounds appealing, but here's the surprising truth. The rewards rate is low, and the annual fee often outweighs what most users earn back. There is an annual fee, and in some cases, monthly fees as well. These fees reduce your available credit immediately, which makes it harder to keep utilization low. Interest rates are very high. Carrying a balance on this card can become expensive extremely fast. Most people get this wrong and think rewards justify spending. In reality, this card should only be used for small purchases paid off in full. The one real benefit is credit reporting. On-time payments are reported to major credit bureaus, which can help rebuild credit over time. However, there are often better alternatives, including secured cards or fair credit cards with no annual fee. So who should consider this card? The surprising truth is that it should be a last resort for people who cannot qualify for lower-cost options. If you do use it, the strategy is simple: minimal spending, full payments, and move on as soon as your credit improves. If this review helped you avoid an expensive mistake, subscribe for more honest credit card reviews. Credit growth should not come with unnecessary costs.